Hey, Fitness Squad, are you ready to supercharge your workouts and build that lean muscle without draining your wallet? We all know protein is essential for recovery, growth, and keeping us feeling full and energized. But let's be real, those fancy protein supplements and expensive cuts of meat can add up quickly. What if I told you there are three incredible, affordable heroes waiting in your grocery store, packed with protein and nutrients? You don't need to break the bank to fuel your body like a champion. Get ready to discover the power of beans, eggs, and yogurt. First, let's quickly underscore why protein is so crucial. Protein is the building block of your body. It repairs muscle tissue after tough workouts, helps create enzymes and hormones, and supports a strong immune system. For fitness enthusiasts, adequate protein intake is non-negotiable for muscle synthesis and achieving your goals. It also keeps you feeling satisfied, which is a massive win if you're managing your weight or trying to avoid unnecessary snacking. Getting enough protein means better recovery, more energy, and a stronger, healthier you. So let's talk about how to get it without the high cost. Our first budget superstar is the Humble Bean. These nutritional gems are a true gift for your fitness journey. They're not just rich in plant-based protein. They're also packed with fiber, complex carbohydrates, and essential micronutrients. Think about it. Black beans, kidney beans, chickpeas, lentils, the variety is endless. A can of beans costs pennies, and a bag of dried beans is even more economical, offering multiple meals. They provide sustained energy, keeping your blood sugar stable and preventing energy crashes. Beans are incredibly versatile. Add them to salads, whip up a hearty chili, blend them into dips like hummus, or even sneak them into veggie burgers. Preparing dried beans from scratch can save you even more money and allows you to control the sodium content. Just remember to soak them overnight. Next up, let's talk about eggs. Often called nature's multivitamin, eggs are one of the most complete and affordable sources of protein available. Each egg contains about 6 grams of high-quality protein, along with essential vitamins like D and B12 and important minerals. The protein in eggs is highly bioavailable, meaning your body can easily absorb and utilize it for muscle repair and growth. And at just a few dollars for a dozen, they are an unbeatable value for the protein punch they deliver. Don't worry about cholesterol. For most healthy individuals, dietary cholesterol has little impact on blood cholesterol. Eggs are unbelievably versatile. Start your day with scrambled eggs or a veggie-packed omelet. Hard-boiled eggs are the ultimate grab-and-go snack or a perfect addition to salads. They're quick to prepare and can be incorporated into almost any meal, making protein intake effortless. Our final budget-friendly protein champion is yogurt, especially plain Greek yogurt. It's a game-changer for fitness enthusiasts. Greek yogurt boasts double the protein of regular yogurt, offering around 15 to 20 grams per serving. It's also an excellent source of calcium and probiotics for gut health. The protein in yogurt is largely casein, a slow-digesting protein that provides a steady release of amino acids, making it fantastic for overnight muscle recovery. Choose plain, unsweetened varieties to avoid added sugars and control your nutritional intake. Yogurt is incredibly adaptable. Enjoy it as a quick breakfast with berries and a sprinkle of nuts, blend it into smoothies for a creamy texture, or use it as a healthier base for dips and sauces. Buying larger tubs of plain yogurt is usually more cost-effective than single-serving containers. Now you have 3 incredible tools. The real magic happens when you integrate these into your daily routine. Combine beans with rice for a complete protein meal. Add hard-boiled eggs to your salads for an extra protein boost. Blend Greek yogurt into your post-workout smoothie for quick recovery. For maximum savings, buy these items in larger quantities when possible. Stock up on dried beans, buy eggs by the dozen, and opt for family-sized tubs of yogurt. Planning your meals around these ingredients will not only save you money, but also ensure you're consistently fueling your body with high-quality protein. Look for store-brand options, which are often just as good and even cheaper. There you have it, fitness fam. Building muscle, recovering effectively, and feeling your best doesn't have to be a luxury. With beans, eggs, and yogurt, you have an arsenal of affordable, powerful protein sources at your fingertips. They are delicious, versatile, and packed with the nutrients you need to crush your fitness goals. So next time you're at the grocery store, skip the expensive supplements and embrace these incredible, budget-friendly protein powerhouses. Your muscles and your wallet will thank you. Get out there, fuel up, and keep thriving.